Hey, it's Nick Sarnicola here, and I'm looking forward to sharing with you guys a bit of the backstory of how this all came together. So I was in Las Vegas, a little bit ago, and I had a phone call from one of our distributors there, and she said there's this guy that I had to meet, and that he was interested in the topic of network marketing. I said, well, does he want to do our company? What has he looked at? She goes, I'm not really sure. He's interested in the topic of network marketing. Well, what does he do for a living? Well, he's in television, and he's interested. She just kept saying he's interested in the topic. Didn't give me any other information than that. I said, yeah, I'll meet with the guy. I'll see what he's interested in. And we sat down, and I met a really nice guy by the name of Will, who he had a genuine intrigue in what this industry was, and also what this industry wasn't. He wanted to figure out if what he had heard was true, and if the misconceptions were true, and kind of the things that he had seen through his world and his filters and his word of mouth, if any of it had accuracy to it. And for the last few years, he tells me, he's been looking for a dynamic group of people that were in the networking arena that he could possibly do a show around or do a documentary about. So we sat down for dinner, we spent the time together, and immediately we clicked, and we knew that we had to document what we were going to be up to for the next few months. We knew we had to show the world that a lot of what they hear about this industry, a lot about those pyramid things that they think they know about, that they really don't know anything about. They don't know the people, they don't know what goes on, they don't know the behind the scenes, they don't know the transformations, they don't know how people are totally impacted in their life forever, and if they did, they'd have a different perspective. So we moved forward, and what you're going to see over the next few months is a series of shows defining what this industry really is through the eyes of about 6 different individuals who are dedicating their life to this industry and transforming people's lives. I can't wait for you to make your own judgment as to whether or not you believe that this is a real, valid, and valuable industry.